At this time on Tesla, we are looking to break $15,000 today. If we can do it, it's huge. If we can break $15,000 today, that would be fantastic. And it really comes down to we need to get above 775. Right now, what we need to see here is going to be that break of 775. And if we look at a past 15-minute time frame, look how strong that 775 mark is. Touch here, touch here, touch here, touch here. We have so much resistance right around that 775 mark. If we can break through 775, that's where we have so much potential. It's where we have so much hype and we have so much movement behind it. So he's always listening. He's always listening. If you guys do not know, Elon Musk is in the chat. He likes to, again, come in every now and then. Hold on. Hey, what's up, man? No. I wasn't talking bad about you. No, I was actually, right now, no, I'm actually up 13K today. Yeah, it's 13,000 today. But is there any tweets? Hold on. Any tweets that you can maybe put out today? I don't know. Make something up. Okay. Yeah, I do like that. That is good. So you'll break okay. Okay, let's get 15K today. I'll split it with you. Okay? 15. Okay? All right, I love you too, E. All right. No, I love you. Yeah, yes. I'll see you tonight. Yes. No, don't wear your high heels. That's always embarrassing. Okay, I'll see you tonight. Okay, bye. All right. So right now, insider tip. We're going to be breaking 775. Insider tip, we are going to be breaking 775. Word on the street, I don't know where it came from. Just getting that vibe at this moment. We should be breaking 775 in the next few moments. Right now, the stock is at 773. We're trying to break over $15,000 on the day today. Let's just, again, see what happens. Let's just say it's all stock trading. We're just looking right now at the chart. So we'll see what happens. See if this is going to be able to break through that 775-ish mark. We know our strong resistance line. We just hit a new high of the day of 775. Come on, E, baby. Come on. You know what? Whatever. Hey, bring out the high heels tonight, E. Bring them out. I won't be embarrassed. Bring them out. Get those high heels on. Walking around looking all cute with your nice little calves. Come on, E. Push it up to 775. I want to make 15,000 today. We got 775, the exact high of the day number so far. Exact high of the day number so far. We're trying to break 15K on the day. Right now, we're at 774.94. Looking for that 775 break. Oh, we're going to do it. We're going to do it right here. High of the day, 775. There we go. E, baby. Woo! E, coming in hot today. We're currently at 775.80. Watching the nice little pop on up. 775.46. Currently up $14,000 on the day. I mean, guys, it's like, Deck, how do you predict these things? How do you know these things are going to happen? Yeah, I don't know. You figure some things on out here and there. You do what you got to do. I don't know. A little fugazi. Hey? Someone bring in the beat balls. Come on. I don't know. These just gabagoo. Right now, again, we're just doing what we can. Right now, again, I asked E to get 15K on the day. Right now, we're at 776 at this moment. 776 at this time. Let's see if we can keep on breaking. We're currently up $14,000 on this day. $14,000 on this day right now. And we're looking good. Shout out to E-Money. Shout out to E-Money at this time. I love what we got. Right now, we are just sitting. I know. Dex phone. Yeah, I know. I'm watching it. You little rascal. You're just such a crazy little bastard, aren't you? I know. All right. Hey, good. Yeah, I'll see you tonight. Okay, keep it up. Okay, bye, bud. Yep, love you too. Bye. He's so funny. He's so funny at times. Let's see. Are we going to be able to get to that 20K mark? We are so close right now. We are so close to getting there. We are so close to getting there. So close to getting dialed in here. We got to break 20,000. That's the goal. Right now, come on, Elon Musk. Come on, baby. Right now, I got it, baby! Woo! $20,000 on the day. Hey, Claire, throw on a little music here. Throw on the DJ, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Elon. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate it.
Computers never sleep. It's verified.
Are you verified?
It's guaranteed.
Are you guaranteed?
NFT. For your vanity. Computers never sleep.
TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.
It's verified.
Everybody stand up
It's guaranteed.
and jump with me. Jump, you peasants!
NFT.
Jump! All right, we're back. If you're asking and scratching your head and saying, Deck, why the heck did you pull the trigger yesterday over on Tesla? Don't you realize we have the Fed interest rate still coming? Don't you realize that we still have inflation? Don't you realize that there's still conflicts with shutdowns over in China? Don't you realize that we do have Ukraine and Russia tensions that could still affect the market? I realize all of that, absolutely. But the thing I do realize is when I take a look over on Tesla, Tesla is down still 40% on the year. I'm jumping in on Tesla when it's down 40% on the year. It was all the way up at $1,200, and I jumped in when it was down towards around $740. Right? I'm getting an amazing price on Tesla. Then on top of that, team, what can we see? This green line. And as I've shown you guys in the past right here, let's just get rid of the 200-day moving average. Let's get rid of the 50-day moving average, and we only have the 13 EMA. And it's great to realize whenever the stock is above the 13 EMA, that does show more bullishness. So the big thing is, and the big question is, none of us know when the market's going to get the absolute bounce. But I do see whenever we are above this green line right here, I do see we go on very nice spikes. And I do see when we're underneath the green line, we go on very nice dumps. And I do see when we're back above the green line, we go on very nice spikes. And I do see when we're back underneath the green line, we go on very nice drops. And the thing is, guess what? We just hit a very nice low. And guess where we are right now? We are back above the green line. And what could happen? Maybe a little bit of a run up. That's my thought process here. That's my idea here. So instead of trying to nail the absolute bottom, to me, I said, let the bottom happen, let the bounce happen, and then let me get in as close as I can to the 13 EMA, where the 13 EMA can show me if we have strength or not. And right now, the 13 EMA is still holding on up. And for my trade, as long as the 13 EMA holds, I'll continue to hold. Well, Deck, what would be your target? My target would be back above 800. My target would be back on up towards around like 900. I would like to hold this for a little bit. Well, Deck, you could lock in $5,000 right now. You are correct. I could lock in $5,000 at this moment from my yesterday trade. But I do think there's a lot more opportunity here. Remember, I'm buying Tesla when it's down 40% on the year still. And that's what a lot of plays are currently doing. If you take a look over on NVDA is right above that 13 EMA where potentially we could have that nice, next run on up. We also need to take into consideration what I've been preaching about over the past, few months now, which has been somewhere in the summer, we will see that bounce. This has happened for the last 75 years straight. The S&P 500 midterm elections since 1962, we bounce. We have awful starts to the first 6 months, and then we bounced in July. Then we bounced in August. Then we bounced in June. Then we bounced in September. Then we bounced in August. Then we had a nice climb on up. Then we bounced in August. Then we bounced in June. Then we bounced in July. Then we bounced in July, bounced in August. Then we bounced in June. Then we bounced in June. Then we bounced in August. And now again, we are where we are right now. This is over the past 75 years, showing us every single year that we have a midterm election, right? Which is halfway through a presidency. That is where we see where the markets are going to be heading. That's where we see, okay, strong drop. And then the second half of the year is where we start moving on up. Right now, we're 5 months in. 5 months in, we have the NASDAQ currently down around 30%. The S&P 500 is currently still down about 12% on the year. I don't think it's bad to want to jump in and maybe hold a little bit. But I get it. Guys. If you're sitting there and saying, no deck, no way, we're going lower, we're going all the way down to 350, 340, I'm not arguing with you on that. You don't got to yell at me. I'm not arguing with you that the fact that the S&P 500 could easily go down even lower. You are 110% correct. 110% correct. I've never seen four interest rate hikes happen in a year at all 0.5%. I don't think the market ever has seen that happen. But I just don't want to miss any sort of big strong bounce. So I want to give these stocks at least a chance. And right now I'm pretty happy with the profits that I'm seeing, with $7,000 in profit over on my Tesla trade, sitting at a cost basis of 742. The bids right now are coming up towards, again, 760 over on that stock. So Tesla, we're still keeping our eyes peeled on it. And you can see a lot of these plays, guys, like Apple. Take a look at it. Today is the test of that 13 EMA. So today is kind of testing day. Today's testing day if it's going to be able to bounce off those 13 EMA marks and start moving themselves on up. So find your favorite blue chip stock today. Find your favorite stock, on the blue chip side and say, okay, at this moment, at this time, where is it at its 13 EMA? And if it's close to its 13 EMA, it may be worth getting involved in on some sort of trade.